India da British ki colonial rule leiringai matamda Chatnaramba criminal law ahum Leibak Asigi Leihao ga Chunaba law na Mahut Shingadouri. Hiram asiga mari lainana ngasi Manipuri University ki Department of Law sintuna nauna Mahut Shingadouri ba criminal law asiga maramda awareness amasung sensitization ki program ama ngasi pangtokhe. India da British ki colonial rule leiringai matamda Chatnaramba Indian Penal Code Indian Evidence Act amadi CRPC Act asi muthatuna Leibak Asigi Leihao ga Chunaba criminal law ahumna Mahut Silakane. High-level law sing adude Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023, Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita 2023 amade Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam 2023 ne. Law ahum asi mamang chahi ki December tang kun mathoida Parliament da pass tawkraba matung chahi aduma ki December tang kun manga da India ki President na ayaba pikhe. Masige iroinana chahi asige July tang amadagi high-level law ahum asi chanaba haurakane. Manipur University ki court hall da pangthokiba anauba law ahum asigi awareness amasung sensitization ki program adu da chief guest oina saruk yakhiba MU ki vice chancellor professor and Lokendra na hai British na India ki lengak chupli paidingai matamda hongdoklamba colonial law kaya ama ngasi su chatnare British ki loilam lengak ase India da matam sang mara taraga leinabagi damak Leibak asida Chatnaramba education system administration legal system social system amade cultural policy na chingba kaya da akanba mideng thamduna madubu semdoknaba British administration na thaurang kaya paikhalakhe khongthang ase British sengi oiba top ban lengak lon gi saktam ama sagatnabagi pandamdane masimmakna chahi chani rom India ase British ki colonial rule makha da thambak makhe British ki loilam lengak na chana halamba makhal makha kaya gi law sing asida divide and rule gi khudong chaba lawbusu yawdaba nate masigi khudam ama hairagade Criminal Cast Act 1871 su amade British administration ki apambade Leibak asigi yalhomi sing khaibung tahanduna makhoi gi khubam numda thambadune Makoina Leibak asida Chatnaramba traditional law kaya muthatuna top legal framework ama semduna makoi gi oiba system da Leibak asigi lengak chumli paiduna lakibne Khongthang asina British ki industrialization amasung modernization dasu achoba matek oikhe haujikti British ki colonial rule sing ase India ki Leihao ga chuna daba kaya thorakle asigumba maram kaya asin leirakpadagi criminal ga mari leinaba law ahum asida khut thaba horakpani haina professor and Lokendra na makha tana phungdokhi
In order to prepare the system and the norms of control of all these communities, and that is how the legal framework were established by the colonial administrators, and these broadly are some of the background, and it is against this background that now there are attempts in the country to remove and to replace many of these archaic and colonial laws. And these three laws, Indian Penal Code, as I said earlier, Indian Evidence Act and the CRPC, these are some of the important laws which the government of India is trying to set in place.